How to set up two-factor authentication on Binance. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to set up two-factor authentication on your Binance app. Without any further delay, let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go over to Binance and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are logged in, all you have to do here is find the menu icon or the hamburger menu at the top left. Then from there, you want to tap on your profile icon to go over to your profile. You can find the security tab from here. Tap on security, and then it's going to have different options for 2FA. First one is passkey, which I've already set up, so it's just basically your biometrics. Second one is the authenticator app, which is the most reliable among all of these options. It even works when your phone is offline, so let's just set up an authenticator app. Now tap on enable. From here, you can just copy the 16-digit key. You can open Binance or Google Authenticator and paste the key there. So I'll just copy it, and once you copy this, you can just paste it on Google Authenticator. I'm going to go ahead and open the Authenticator app and paste the key there. Here I've added my Binance key, so it has given me a code. I can just copy this code. You might see black screen because of the Authenticator's privacy settings. I can just head over here, then go again to security. From there, you need to go over to two-factor again and paste the code here on the Authenticator app. Here I have added the code, but for some reason it's not letting me to connect to my Binance. But that's how you basically do it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.